5 Best Dropshipping Suppliers in Egypt. Egypt is a growing hub for e-commerce, with its strategic location connecting Africa, the Middle East, and Europe. Whether you're targeting local customers or the international market, partnering with reliable dropshipping suppliers in Egypt can give your business the competitive edge you need. In today's video, we'll reveal the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Egypt to help you scale your online store and grow your business. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Egypt. Whether you're selling fashion, home decor, electronics, or niche products, these suppliers will provide you with quality inventory, competitive prices, and fast shipping options to help you succeed. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss out on our supplier reviews, e-commerce tips, and strategies. Let's get started. At number 5, Jumia Egypt. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Jumia Egypt, one of the largest e-commerce platforms in the country. What they offer. Jumia Egypt provides a wide range of products, including electronics, fashion, beauty, and home goods. Why they're great for dropshipping. Their vast catalog and competitive pricing make it easy to find high-demand products for your store. Shipping advantage. With their robust logistics network, Jumia ensures fast delivery across Egypt. If you're looking for a local supplier with a wide variety of products, Jumia Egypt is a great option. At number 4, Yaouta. Coming in at number 4 is Yaouta, Egypt's leading product search engine and marketplace. What they offer. Yaouta helps you find deals and suppliers for products across multiple categories, including clothing, electronics, and home decor. Why they're popular. They connect you with top-rated sellers and offer price comparisons to help you find the best deals for dropshipping. Shipping advantage. Many suppliers on Yaouta offer fast delivery options, making it ideal for local dropshipping. If you're looking for flexibility and competitive pricing, Yaouta is an excellent platform to explore. At number 3, Souk.com, now Amazon Egypt. Next up at number 3 is Amazon Egypt, previously known as Souk.com, one of the most trusted e-commerce platforms in the region. What they offer. Amazon Egypt features a massive catalog of products, including books, electronics, apparel, and household items. Why it's great for dropshipping. With a wide variety of products and trusted suppliers, Amazon Egypt gives you access to reliable inventory. Shipping advantage. Their efficient logistics network ensures fast and reliable delivery within Egypt and beyond. If you want access to a trusted platform with a wide product selection, Amazon Egypt is a fantastic supplier to work with. At number 2, Edfa3li. Coming in at number 2 is Edfa3li, a platform designed to help Egyptian businesses source products from international markets. What they offer. Edfa3li allows you to access products from global suppliers, including electronics, fashion, beauty, and accessories. Why they're great for dropshipping. They handle customs clearance, shipping, and delivery, making it easy to source international products for your store. Local advantage. Their operations in Egypt ensure a seamless process for local dropshippers. If you're looking to source international products while keeping things simple, Edfa3li is a reliable option. At number 1, Monjez Market. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is Monjez Market, a dropshipping platform tailored for Egyptian sellers. What they offer. Monjez Market provides a curated selection of high-demand products, including electronics, home goods, and fashion items. Why they're the best. Their focus on the Egyptian market means they understand local business needs, offering fast shipping and excellent customer support. Integration options. Monjez Market integrates easily with local e-commerce platforms, streamlining your operations. If you're serious about dropshipping in Egypt, Monjez Market is the ultimate supplier to partner with. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Egypt. Let's quickly recap the list. Monjez Market, best overall for tailored local support and fast shipping. EDFA 3Li, perfect for sourcing international products hassle-free. Amazon Egypt, trusted for a wide range of reliable products. Yauta, great for price comparisons and flexible sourcing options. Jumia Egypt, a trusted local platform with a massive product catalog. Which of these suppliers are you most excited to try for your dropshipping business? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more tips, supplier reviews, and strategies to grow your store. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.